What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to export and import widgets from one WordPress website to another. So imagine the following scenario: you have widgets into the footer of this website, into the header, into the sidebar, into some pages, and you are migrating this site to this other website right here. How to export or how to import the widgets for this website from this website? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video for free into a simple, fast and effective way. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, navigate to the websites that would like to get the widgets. Go to the WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into both websites, into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the search plugins, there is a field. We're gonna click and type widgets, importer and exporter. Here is the guide we're looking for. Click on install and click on deactivate. Now do the same into the other website, okay? Now, after doing this, all we have to do is once into the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. On WordPress dashboard, plugins, find the widget, importer and exporter and click on import export button. This gonna redirect you to this page, okay? Or you can go to WordPress left sidebar of menus, over a mouse over tools and click into the submenu widget, importer and exporter. And from this for this website, I'm gonna click on export widgets. This is gonna gives me a file. Here is the file, okay? Save that. Now go to the other website, go to WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over tools, click on widget, importer and exporter. Now click into the choose file, into the import widgets. Select the file that you just have downloaded, okay? Is this one on this format right here, YIA. Click on import widgets, and right here we have the widgets imported, okay? Simple, easy and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin. That when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.